Hello, friends. Welcome once again to Unacademy. I am Colonel Bhupinder Singh Rehal. I am sure you must have had a very happy Diwali. So, Diwali celebrations are now over, but we will continue with our Diwali. In the next few days, we'll be having special free classes. There'll be 6 classes starting from 20th of November. Now, these are based on the queries which have come to me from the students. They have some doubts, some queries, something playing on their mind, which they have conveyed to me. And based on that, the first class, which will be starting on 20th of November, is about being an introvert. What effect it has on the selection in the SSB. So the first class is so what if you are an introvert? As far as I feel, it doesn't make any difference. And this is what we'll be discussing in this class. The next class will be on 21st and 22nd November. It will be in 2 parts. It's very important and it concerns the fear which people have about various things, various fears about the SSB, about public speaking, about participating in certain activities. So, to cover that, we will have 2 classes on handling and overcoming fear. The next class, as you know, that SSB is about assessment of your leadership qualities. They are looking for leaders. So on 27th of November, we'll have a class on be a leader. It is apart from those 15 so-called officer-like qualities. So these are the qualities which you need to inculcate. आपको ये क्वालिटीज अपने अंदर लेके आनी और ये आपको एसएसबी में रिकमेंड होने के लिए बहुत मदद करेंगी और अगर आपने इनको लेके आना है देन आपके अंदर अपने आप को चेंज करने के लिए एक चाहत होनी चाहिए, उत्सुकता होनी चाहिए. You should be willing to change from what you are to what you need to be to get recommended. So on 28th of November, we will cover a class on be willing to change. Advantages which you will gain by changing, disadvantages if you continue without changing. And the 6th class on 29th November is again something which every time children are asking me. So मुझे गुस्सा आता है. Sir, I get angry very fast. I get sad. I get too emotional. I get nervous. So we will have a class on handling the negative emotions. So here, basically, I'll be able to give you basic knowledge about what you are required to do. We will cover these things subsequently also in more details. Now, you may be wondering who is this person talking to us. Name I have told you, Colonel Bhupinder Singh Rehal. I joined the army through NDA, and after that, I have served in the army for 32 years, out of which 9 years were as an assessor or selection system. I've been a GTO for 3 years at the SSB. I've been a Joint Director of Officer Selection, which deals with all our selection systems, including training of the assessors and many other things. This was at the Army headquarters. And then for 3 years, I was Director Recruiting. And later on, since last 6 years, I have been training the aspirants who are interested in joining the Defence Forces through Persona Primers on training for SSB. I've been providing training for SSB for personal development, life skills, leadership and motivation, and self-management. I am a mentor with Atal Innovative Mission, Niti Aayog, Government of India, where I have been given the specific task of developing personality amongst the school students and also for inculcating creativity, imagination, and innovativeness among the school children. So, 3 schools in the Tri City of Chandigarh, the best schools are there with me. And apart from that, many other schools, the government schools I go to and guide the students there. And now these are the 4 things: personality development, creativity, imagination, and innovativeness, which are very much required in the SSB. So here again, I will be able to help you out. I have trained students at Armed Forces Preparatory Institute at Khadur Sahib, Punjab, and also at AFPA, Armed Forces Preparatory Academy, Fatehgarh Sahib. I've been a director with SSB Sure Shot Academy, Punjab, at AFPA and SSB Sure Shot Academy. All the structures or all the infrastructure was created, all the tests were developed by me. I was there till December, and in a short stint there, 6 students were recommended. And I'm very sure that once you go through these classes, this training, you will be adding on to my numbers. You can have a look at few of them here. So I hope this has motivated you by seeing them, because there are many students who are right now in the academy. Many have already become officers, and many are waiting to join the academy. And I'm very sure you will be amongst them. And together, let's crack it. Thank you.